Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we're going to show you how to install number 5 metal zipper top stops available in multiple colors from Sailrite.
This video shows how to install the number 5 black metal zipper top stops for molded zipper teeth. That's what's here. This is number 5 molded in either Lenzip or YKK brand. First, pull apart your zipper. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take wire cutters. Any doesn't really matter the brand, and we're going to destroy 2 teeth and leave the flange intact. So to do this, I'm just going to go like this, and that half of the tooth comes off, and then we're going to do the same thing to the second tooth, like that. And then sometimes you can just use your fingers, or you might have to use another tool. See, the teeth look like they're intact on this side, but the integrity is lost, and you can kind of just pull them off like that with your fingernail. So the 2 teeth are gone. That's what we want.
If you'd like the zipper flange to be a little bit longer, simply remove more teeth. We'll show that at the end.
So if you notice here, the 2 teeth are gone, but there's a ridge that's left, so we left that intact.
Near the end of this video, we're going to show this special tool that installs these stops. But for now, we're going to use standard tools that you already have in your toolbox.
So now take your top stop, they're very small, and take some needle nose pliers. And unfortunately, you can't put them towards the mouth. You have to put them towards the back because it does take a lot of pressure. So midway or even further back, put them in the pliers. Let me get it set up for you because my fingers are nice and fat like sausages. So there, I got my fat fingers to do it. And if you notice the side profile, it's kind of in the middle of the needle nose pliers, and see the C channel is facing towards the front. So now what I do is I take my zipper and I position it so that the C channel goes into that area all the way in, and then depress the needle nose pliers. Okay, now it's hard to do this without enough force. So what I'll do is I'll just keep my pressure on here, and then I'm going to take a little mallet, and that will install it in such a manner that it won't come off, and it looks almost like a factory stop. That's the beauty of this. And notice it doesn't come off easily. We did the same thing on the other side, and we'll use a Hotknife to seal the end of the zipper, and your zipper top stops are now installed. The slider will come against that and stop. This top stop can also be installed with these zipper stop pliers. It works great. I'm going to grab it and insert it in the pliers, if I can pick it up. Okay, so it goes in like this. Pardon my hands. So you can see its C channel is facing the end. And then we're only going to put it on one side, though you'd put it on both. You just do this, and you give it a crimp, and she is installed beautifully.
In this zipper, 4 teeth were removed to place the stops a little bit further back, so there's a little bit more flange, but you can remove however many teeth you'd like. You can find a large selection of zippers and accessories at the Sailrite website. I'm Eric Grant. Thanks for watching this video.